Money from your bank debit card to Cash App. How to add money from your bank debit card to Cash App. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device and log in. Step 2. Link your debit card. Tap on your profile icon, top right corner. Select linked banks or linked accounts. Tap Link Debit Card. Enter your debit card details, number, expiration date, CVV, zip code. Once linked, your debit card is now connected to your Cash App balance. Step 3. Add money to Cash App. From the home screen, tap the Banking tab, the little bank icon. Select Add Cash. Enter the amount of money you want to add. Tap Add. Choose your linked debit card as the funding source. Confirm the transaction with your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Step 4. Money available instantly. The money will be transferred instantly from your bank debit card to your Cash App balance. Things to keep in mind. Only one debit card can be linked at a time. The debit card must be a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover card. Prepaid debit cards are not supported. Cash App may decline some debit cards depending on the bank.